Ever been on a ride when your TomTom Rider GPS suddenly loses power? It's frustrating, especially when you rely on it to navigate unfamiliar roads. If you've lost or damaged your battery cable, don't let that stop your journey. The original TomTom Rider Motorcycle GPS replacement battery cable is designed to keep your device charged using your bike's power, so you stay connected without interruptions. What makes this cable stand out? It's an authentic TomTom accessory, built specifically for models like the Rider 550, 550, 450, 420, 410, 400, 42, and 41. That means perfect compatibility and reliable performance every time you hit the road. Unlike generic cables, this one taps directly into your motorcycle's power system, ensuring your GPS stays powered up effortlessly throughout your ride. No more worrying about your battery running low when you need directions the most. Installing the cable is straightforward, but for the safest and most secure setup, it's best to have a professional mechanic handle it. Keep in mind, you'll also need the TomTom Motorcycle GPS mount with the RAM mount included, sold separately, to complete the setup. This ensures your GPS stays firmly in place while you focus on the ride ahead. Riders across the United States have praised the cable for its solid quality. Some mention that finding the right fasteners can be a bit tricky due to the cable's small gauge wire, but that's a minor trade-off for a hassle-free charging experience. When you use the original cable, you get peace of mind knowing your GPS is supported by genuine parts designed to last. If you rely on your TomTom Rider GPS for navigation, this replacement battery cable is worth a look. It's the simple fix that keeps your device powered and your ride smooth. Ready to upgrade your setup? Try the original TomTom battery cable when you're ready. It's a small investment that makes a big difference on the road.